Good morning students. Welcome to our e-learning classes and this is our maths class. Today we are going to start from question number 9. So today's classwork from question number 9. Today we again continue. We will again continue exercise 2.4. Today's date is 29th May 2020. Question number 9. 1 upon 5 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon 3x minus 2 equal to 1 upon 4x minus 3 plus 1 complete 1 by 4. That means we can write this question in this way. 2x plus 1 upon 5 minus x minus 2 upon 3 equal to x minus 3 upon 4 plus we change this mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is equal to 3 by 2. Now find the LCM of the denominators. Solve left hand side and right hand side separately. So the LCM of the denominators is 5 and 3, that is 15. And similarly to the right side, the LCM is 4. Now what is the numerator to left side? 5 3 is 15 is the LCM. So to the numerator first we write 3 into 2x plus 1, 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 5 into x minus 2. Similarly, to the left side we write x minus 3 plus 3 2s are 6. Sorry, x minus 3, not 1. Now, open the bracket. 6x plus 3 minus 5x plus 10 equal to x minus 3 plus 6 upon 4. Calculate the numerator. 6x minus 5x, that is equal to 1x, plus 3 plus 10 equal to plus 13 upon 15, x minus 3 plus 6. Signs are different. We can do the subtraction and put the sign of the bigger one, that is x plus 3 upon 4. Now this is the simplest mode. We can do the cross multiplication. So 4 into x plus 13. 4 into x plus 13, that is equal to 15 into x plus 3. Again open the bracket. When you open the bracket you will have 4x plus 52, 15x plus 15 3s are 45. All the x in one side. So 4x minus 15x equal to 45 minus 52. 4x minus 15x, that is equal to minus 11x. 45 minus 52, that is equal to 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That is minus 7. Since 52 is the bigger number, we are putting the negative sign. Minus minus get cancelled. So x is equal to 7 upon 11. This is the answer of question number 9. Now question number 10. 3 upon 3x minus 5 minus 2 upon 4x minus 7 equal to 6 upon 7 into 4x minus 7 plus 7 upon 9 into 3x minus 5. ये थोड़ा सा अलग क्वेश्चन है. अभी तक न्यूमरेटर में एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन नहीं था, तो ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर में भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है. तो इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा? ये दोनों जो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है इसको विद इन ब्रैकेट लिखना है. In the first bracket 3x minus 5, in the second bracket 4x minus 7. Similarly to the right side, जितने भी numbers है 7 और 9 का LCM 7 9 is 63 और 4x minus 7 3x minus 5. This is the LCM when the denominator have algebraic expression. Now what should we write to the numerator? 3 into 4x minus 7. 3 into 4x minus 7 minus 2 into 3x minus 5. इसी तरह यहाँ पर 6 9s are 54. 54 into 3x minus 5 plus 7 7s are 49 into 4x minus 7. Look at the denominator. 3x minus 5 within bracket. Right hand side में भी है 3x minus 5. You can cancel this. अगर bracket पूरा bracket आप cancel कर सकते हो, bracket के अंदर same thing है तो. Same 4x minus 7, 4x minus 7. So we can cancel the whole thing. Open the brackets to the numerator. 4 3s are 12x minus 21 minus 6x minus minus plus 10. सब कुछ कैंसिल हो गया, नथिंग इज देयर, दैट मीन्स 1 इक्वल टू डिनोमिनेटर इज 63. व्हेन यू ओपन दिस 54 into 3x 54 into 3 162x minus 54 into 5 270 plus 49 into 4x 196x minus 49 into 7, that is 343. Now simplify this. 12x minus 6x, that is equal to 6x minus 21 plus 10, that is minus 11 upon 1 equal to 162x plus 196x. Both have the same sign, plus positive sign, so we can add this to number. So 162 plus 196, that is equal to 358x minus 270 minus 343. Minus 270 minus 343, both have minus sign, so we can again add this number and putting the sign of minus. So that is equal to 613 upon 63. अब तो हम लोग का जाना पहचाना टाइप का आ गया है. डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 63 इंटू दिस 63 इंटू 6x माइनस 11 इक्वल टू 1 इंटू दिस. तो 1 इंटू लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. 358x माइनस 613. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 63 इंटू 6x 63 into 6x, that is 378 x minus 63 into 11, 11 3s are 33, 69, 693 equal to 358x minus 630. All the x in one side, so 378x minus 358x equal to minus 613. This minus goes to right side, it will become plus 693. So minus and plus, you can do the subtraction. When you subtract it, you will have 80 plus 80, because this is the bigger number, and this is 20x. 20x equal to 80, so x equal to 80 upon 20, which means 4. So x equal to 4 is the answer of question number 10. Now we jump to question number 12. Question number 12, 3 upon 5 x minus 4, जिसको हम ये लिख सकते हैं 3 into x minus 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 into 2x minus 9, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2x minus 9 upon 3 equal to x minus 1 upon 4 minus 2. Same thing, find the LCM of the denominators. Calculate the left side and right side separately. 2 means 2 upon 1. So 3 3s are 9. X minus 4 minus 5. 2x minus 9. X minus 1. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. Open the bracket. 9x minus 36 minus 10x plus 45 upon 15 equal to x minus 1 minus 8, that is equal to minus 9 upon 4. Do the simplification. 9x minus 10x, 9x minus 10x, that is equal to minus x, minus 36 plus 45, that is equal to plus 9 upon 15 equal to x minus 9 upon 4. Now do the cross multiplication. अभी तक सारे questions इसी तरह करते हुए आ रहे हैं, and open the bracket, then simplify it. So that's all for today's class work. Now look at the homework. इसको आपको आगे complete करना है. Today's homework, only 2 questions are there as your homework. Question number 8, x minus 1 equal to 3 upon 4 into this minus 1 by 2, and 11th. तो सेम थिंग, आप पहले एलसीएम लोगे, सेपरेटली सॉल्व करोगे, फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, फिर उसके आगे सॉल्व करोगे. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस हैव द सेम रूल. थैंक यू क्लास. दैट्स हैव अ नाइस डे.